Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to delete tweets and replies on Twitter. Don't you worry, this will be a quick and easy video, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're going to open the Twitter application. And once you've opened, you're just going to head to the profile by tapping on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. And once you've tapped it, we're going to tap on the topmost option, the profile. Let's go ahead and tap that. And once you've tapped it, it will be transferred to this screen. And this is your profile. And to delete a tweet or reply on your account, you can just tap on the three-dotted icon on the rightmost part of the tweet that you'd like to delete. Once you've tapped it, you will be presented with this set of options. And in this set of options, you will see that you'll be able to pin to profile, delete the tweet, change who can reply, or edit with Twitter Blue. And as for this tutorial, we're going to delete. And once you've tapped it, you will be asked if you would like to delete the tweet. As for it cannot be undone, and it will be removed from your profile, the timeline of any accounts that follow you, and from Twitter search results. And once you've made your decision, let's go ahead and tap on delete. As you can see, the tweet and the replies on that tweet is now deleted. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.